We all have boxes and closets and perhaps bins full of photos, and it's a big problem for many of us. So I'm going to share some simple tips that I'd like you to implement in your own lives and in your own home so that you can preserve these precious memories. This is a photo album that was put together by my mother's mother. Now, she passed away in 1930, so you can imagine how special these photographs are to this family. We want to preserve them by putting them on electronic digital media, and that way we can share these stories of family and we can make sure that these are always going to be protected. You'll find that you may run across some that have some damage to them. There are many services out there that can help you repair these damaged photographs. In addition to photographs, you may find that you have old letters that are very special. This letter was written by my grandmother to her own mother. Now, if this isn't special, I don't know what is. What you want to do though when you're organizing photos is to put them in a rough kind of order. So if you can break them up by year, and even further, if you can break them up by month, at least you can chunk it down and start dealing with the project in manageable pieces. So when you're ready to digitize your photos, you've got them all organized, they're ready to go, you can make a decision to do it yourself. I would suggest a scanner that has a high quality resolution on it so that you can create enlarged photos that are not pixelated and blurred. Or there's always services available out there. You can find services just by Googling electronic or digitized photos. Again, I recommend putting them in the cloud so that you have full protection in the event any kind of disaster happens in your home and you lose your photo albums. Remember, if you follow these simple tips and get your photos digitized and saved in the cloud, you will have family memories to share with people from now till eternity.